the Apple Watch Ultra 2 2024. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Mo, and in this video I will be unboxing the Apple Watch Ultra 2 that was released in 2024. I'm not sure why it's the Ultra 2. I do have here the Ultra 2 from 2023, but I guess new design, new color. I'm not sure why it's the Ultra 2, but nevertheless, let's go ahead and unbox the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in 2024. So there you have it, guys. That is the new Apple Watch Ultra 2. This I purchased for my girlfriend. She is new to the Apple Watch ecosystem. This is the natural titanium shell with the Alpine loop band. So this is the model she wanted, and I'm very excited for her to finally join the Apple ecosystem when it comes to the watches. She just got onto the iPhone bandwagon last year, so we have officially converted her from Android. But yeah, I'm very excited to go ahead and get this started and to set this up for her. Please stay tuned to my channel. I will be posting a full review of the Apple Watch Ultra 2 2024, maybe compare it to the Ultra 2 2023, and kind of just share my thoughts on that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. I would love to respond and engage with you guys. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.